Welcome back to another one of our videos. So today we are gonna make fish bouillabaisse, which is a French stew. I am making this French stew today because it actually brought back some memories when I tried it from when I was growing up in Haiti. Most places have a version of French stew that is actually fairly similar to this one. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why I enjoyed it, because I remembered growing up as a little child, the guys typically is who will make it, and they'll make it extremely spicy, and that was when I was first introduced to actual spicy food, which I happen to truly enjoy. So I'm gonna share it with you. Obviously, this one is not gonna be as spicy, but it's gonna have a little kick to it, which is optional. It's easily can be made vegan by omitting the fish the way that we made it, but we still kept the authenticity of it. So let me show you how we made it. To get started, all you need are these ingredients here. The fish is not listed because you can pretty much make this dish with any type of fish in your region. For us, we use sea bass. So go ahead and start with your vegetables, such as the leeks, the celery, the onions, the fennel. Cut them into edible pieces. So remember in the beginning I told you guys that my first introduction to this dish is the similarities to what we have in Haiti, that particular fish stew, and I've been trying to replicate it. But there are some strong similarities between the two dishes. They are both tomato based and of course made with fish from the local market. And what's perfect about this dish is the fact that it's so versatile. It can be made vegan by not adding the fish. We, in this recipe, utilize vegetable stock rather than fish stock. So if you wanted to make it vegan, it makes it a lot easier by simply omitting the fish. This soup derived from the Provence region of France, and it's very popular in the port city of Marseille. So the reason for that little tidbit is because West African cuisine has been utilizing tomato-based flavor to enhance their stew. So now it makes sense as to why many of the port cities in Europe has a similar flavored dish, simply because of the import-export and people traveling from various places. It is an extremely healthy meal, and what's great about this dish is that you can pretty much make it your own. You can add starch to it if you would like to. In some instances, there are dishes with starch such as vegetables and so forth, but it is healthy on its own because, as you can see, all it is a vegetable based stock with fish added. Honestly speaking, in my opinion, I really think that the longest process of this dish is preparing your vegetables, cutting all those vegetables that you want to add to this and setting them aside until you get started. Don't forget to check our website at savorythoughts.com. There you will find the exact measurements, step-by-step instructions, as well as pictures to guide you through. Alright, now that all your vegetables are prepared, let's go ahead and warm up our oil. Next, let's saute the vegetables. So we want them to be translucent. So make sure to continuously stir your vegetables. Don't forget the base by adding the tomato paste. Guess what? It rhymes, right? And of course, the moment that we have been waiting for is the fish. For this recipe, we are utilizing sea bass, but the traditional recipe actually used rockfish. The problem with rockfish, it has a lot of bones, so therefore it is seldom used anymore. So go ahead and saute the fish with the vegetables. Cover and let the fish cook on low heat. So once the fish is halfway tender, go ahead and stir it and start adding your flavors, such as thyme, bay leaves, saffron, and of course your star anise, and that's where you're gonna get that anise flavor. Now, regular bouillabaisse uses pasty. Pasty is a French anise flavored liquor. Pasties may be hard to find depending on where you are, so we use the Italian version, which is the Romana Sambuca. So next, go ahead and add your vegetable stock. We did actually use a low sodium vegetable stock. In regard to the anise flavored liquor, it is optional. You can actually achieve the same wonderful flavor by simply adding 2 to 3 star anise in the recipe and omit the liquor. The liquor actually do bring a slight sweetness to the recipe. So go ahead and add the salt and pepper to taste, stir it, cover it, and bring it to a boil. And of course, we Haitians, we love Scotch bonnet pepper. So we added one into this recipe, but it is not required. You can enjoy it without the pepper, but a little heat gives it just that extra flavor. And our next secret is a lemon juice, which is a perfect addition. The acidity goes well with any type of seafood. And this is it. As simple as that, you too can enjoy this wonderful dish. It does not take a long time to make. All you have to do is prepare your vegetables and get your stock ready. And again, if you enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making and eating this dish, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, send us a comment, and let us know how you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.